Hi, I'm attorney Adam Niedenberg, representing clients in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. I'd like to talk to you about motorcycle accidents. People enjoy riding motorcycles because they are both economical and fun. However, the smaller size and swift movements of a motorcycle can be dangerous. Each year, more than 55,000 people are injured in accidents involving a motorcycle. If you are hurt on a motorcycle, call me at the number on your screen for a free consultation. I'm attorney Adam Niedenberg, and I look forward to helping you.